In this video, we'll be reviewing the installation process for our newest multi-sensory light and sound rain head, HydroVive. HydroVive is an 18 by 18 inch square with an installation depth of roughly 8 inches and weighs about 37 pounds. Familiarize yourself with the locations of all connections and adjustable mounting guides prior to installation. 3/8 inch water inlet line, RCA stereo audio input, digital CAN bus connection, adjustable mounting guides. Determine the ideal install location. This will largely depend on the size and layout of your shower. Gather your materials and it's time to get to work. Cut a 16.7 inch square out of your ceiling and frame it in. Once framed in, you will want a minimum clearance of 14.45 inches by 14.25 inches for comfortable installation. Pull all of your connections through as the rest of the install will be completed from inside the shower. Measure and locate your midpoints on each short side of your hole. This is where you will install the mounting brackets with the included 3/4 inch wood screws. It's time for some lifting. Remember, the HydroVive weighs about 37 pounds and you will be raising it above your head. Take note of how the teeth on the mounting guides interact with the mounting brackets. This makes certain that HydroVive is properly and securely set in place for you to complete the remainder of the installation. Confirm all connections are properly set. With HydroVive secured by the mounting guides, you can easily angle HydroVive to gain access as needed. Take this opportunity to apply some silicone along the groove on the back of HydroVive. Guide HydroVive the rest of the way into the ceiling, and you'll notice the mounting guides locking into place each step of the way. Be sure to push HydroVive tightly against the ceiling to help create a seal with the previously applied silicone. Use the included 3.5 inch mounting screws to complete the installation and allow the silicone to dry for 24 hours. The CAN bus cable will route to the power distribution module included with your ThermoTouch control. Be sure to make all necessary connections prior to turning on power to your generator and ThermoTouch control. Once everything is powered up, test it all out to make sure everything is working as expected. Be sure to keep an eye out for the other video in this series where we will review all the specs and functions of HydroVive and demonstrate how to control it from ThermoTouch.